Good day everyone. Today I want to demonstrate a project I built for ALS Capstone project. As you can see, this project is hosted in PythonAnyWhere, as you can see it on the screen. And the title of this project is Movie Review API to say. It's an API that allows users to create reviews of a particular movie. First of all, let me copy the link to the hosted project. I'm going to paste it now, so I can go to it now, paste. Then I'll now go to my API to show how this thing. So as you can see, this is where users can create their account. Then this is also where authenticated user can create reviews for a particular movie. And this endpoint shows where authenticated users can like a review made by another visitor here or user here. First of all, let me create a user to show you how user can be created. So I'll go to user creation endpoint. Then I'll create it. Okay, here is it. I have already created some users. As you can see, I've created about 60 users, but let me create another one to demonstrate the creation. Let me go to this one, test. Then let me use email. You can see here. Then password. I'll use admin as the password. Then I'll now create. The user has been created. That is ID 8. That shows we have created. I've already created 7 users when I was testing this API. So the next thing now I'm going to do is I'm going to authenticate this user in a postman using username and the password. So let me go to my postman now. When I authenticate this user will be able to create his own review on a movie. Okay, my postman is here. Okay. Okay, now I want to proceed to authenticate users using postman. To do it, I'll first of all copy this link. I'll copy this link. I'll copy the link, take it back to my postman. This is my postman. I'll paste this link to my postman. Then edit it. Then because first of all, I need to generate a token for this user. So I'll write token here. Then change the endpoint to post. Then this is a user was already there. I will now come back here and look for a user I would like to authenticate. And if you look at this very particular interface, see that we have this is a pagination. I'm going to say pagination. This is a pagination whereby I can go from one page to another. Okay, so I would like to authenticate the last page, the last user I created, so that this user can also create reviews. Then I'll come here to the body, then paste the user's details, email, then come back again. But if you have this thing off here, you can see git, copy it and paste it again here. I'm trying to generate token for this user. Then password for this user. When I was creating this user, I used admin as password. So now I want to generate token for this user. Then I will now come back here and write. If you check, I wrote the token here after this API, creating it for the user should be generated. Then I will now copy this access token. It will create two type of token, access and refresh token. Then sorry, I will now copy this token now. I'll copy this token and come back to authorization. Then I now paste the token here. Then change this thing to review because I want this user to list the reviews this or then I will change it to gate. Then let's authenticate this user. Let's see if this user is successful. So the server responded as required. So that is it here. But if you check here, give us empty query list because this user does not have a review. This is it for this video, and then this is it for this. I'm going to create a review. I'm going to create a review using this authenticated user. Okay, all right. So now this is the authenticated user. Have listed views, but unfortunately we have not created views here. So I want to create a view using this authenticated user. So I'll now come back to the body, then put the field of the review. First of all, my movie have movie title. It has movie title, the title of the movie I want to authenticate or review. Then movie title. Then should be let me call it gods are not to be blamed. Then the username is authenticated when I'm not going to touch it. So I'm going to remove this password. I'm going to put the rating. I want to show also something how I able to control rating. Let me put rating 6, even though you cannot rate more than 6. I want to test the functionalities this thing has. I'll now put okay, my review content. So I'll now put my review content. I'll call it, I'll state the movie. My review that this movie is nice. So now I will change it to push because I want to create. I'm performing create now. So let's see if it's going to create it. But I guess it should have an issue with rating 6. Let me see what it's going to create. You say this is the review. Now say the rating must be between 1 and 5. That's the restriction. So if I change this thing now to review, if I put it to 4, let me send again to know if this should be created. Let's see if it's okay. This has been created successfully. As you can see, this thing has been created 201 created successfully. If you can see the ID number 1, this is what has been created and how many there's no like yet. You see, so let's assume I want to change another one. I want this user to create another another review. I want to review another movie called Gods Are Good. The same person, they want to rate it like 5. The rating is 5. Then I will now come here and say the movie is so bad. So let's see if it's going to add it again. Guys, it's created it showing this is ID 2. So we can create using this now. So another thing I'm going to put is we are going to put update and delete. I will perform an update on this movie. So I want to update this movie now. Then this is the title of the movie before, The Man. So I'll do it, The Man of God. If you look at it here is man, then I want to make it the man of God. Let me update it with this method put. You see, it has been updated to the man of God. It has been updated to the man of God. Now I want to delete this movie now. That's ID 5, the man of God. I will now come here and put delete. Then I will now click delete. Deleted. So first of all, I want to test our search button. Let's say we want to search this movie titled God Are Ancient. If I type God Are Ancient here and keep search, so it's supposed to give me the only this movie and everything about the review and everything about this movie. That shows that our search functionality, okay, it has already shown it. So you see, it has already shown us this movie of ID3 created by test users. So I also want to check, let me check the filter. Let me take one with smaller rating to higher rating. So it's showing now. That's what I clicked. You see, it's here now. It's here now. So it listed from this one rating. The rating is 4, then rating is 5, rating is 5. That shows that our rating functionality is working.